Fusible Appliqué is a simple and reliable method for adding applique to your quilt project. Trace the applique motif on the paper side of Fusible Web, making a separate tracing for each applique needed. Roughly cut out the drawn applique shape. Non-stick scissors such as these from Havel Sewing are great when cutting glue-based fusibles. Start with your fabric wrong side up. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to fuse to the wrong side of the applique fabric. Switch to smaller, more precise scissors, such as these embroidery scissors from Havel Sewing, which have a serrated edge that grips. Cut carefully along the drawn line. Peel off the paper backing. Position the applique in place on the background fabric, and fuse the shape in place. Using coordinating thread and your preferred stitch, machine applique along the edge of the shape. This technique makes applique so much fun.